Would you like to keep that gleaming straight from the showroom look on your new car? Well, now you can. With Gardx protection, you can protect your vehicle's paintwork and interior as well as its future resale value. The truth is, your vehicle's paintwork is constantly under assault from a wide range of man-made and natural pollutants, such as abrasive dirt and grime, road salt, industrial pollution, detergent, tree sap, and the sun's powerful UV rays, all attacking your new car's flawless finish outside and in. And the problem is, conventional wax polishes are simply not powerful enough to stop these pollutants damaging your car's paintwork, resulting in that dull, faded look. But Gardx has the answer. The Gardx vehicle protection system with nanotechnology has been proven in some of the world's harshest environments, from the extreme Arctic wasteland to the depths of the Arabian desert. The Gardx two-stage system forms 4 layers of protection, providing a highly resilient, smooth, transparent coating that protects paintwork from attack from harmful pollutants, and leaves a high-gloss showroom finish wash after wash. With Gardx, you may never need to polish your car again. The protection Gardx provides is remarkable. Neat spirit has been applied to this new car and set alight. When the flames are extinguished, the Gardx protected paintwork is completely unmarked. And it's not just the exterior Gardx protects. On a daily basis, the interior of your vehicle is at risk of staining from dirt and spills from food and drink, children and pets. StainGuard prevents staining by coating each fabric fibre with an invisible protective barrier, meaning spillages are easily wiped off or vacuumed away, keeping your interior clean and fresh. And for your leather interior, LeatherGuard protects from stains, dirt and spills, whilst moisturising the leather, keeping it smooth, soft and supple. Included in the pack is TireGuard, a quick, easy and very safe way of temporarily repairing a puncture at the side of the road without removing the wheel, getting you back on the road almost immediately. Another great Gardx safety feature is GlassGuard, which is a super-resistant hydrophobic glass safety treatment. It repels rain and moisture, causing it to bead and run off, enhancing visibility and making your driving much safer in poor weather conditions. So protect your new car and its future resale value with Gardx protection, and benefit from a transferable lifetime guarantee for your vehicle's paintwork, fabrics and leather. Forever.